Hi, I'm Alera Thompson. I'm the founder and CEO of Blue Sand STEM Labs.
Hi, my name is Kingsley Okechukwu, CTO and co-founder of Blue Sand STEM Labs.
Across Africa, particularly Nigeria, millions of students like Adamu, Ireti, and Ngozi are expected to learn science without access to functional laboratories, modern digital learning resources, or personalized instructional support. And as a result of this, students like Adamu, Ireti, and Ngozi, who represent thousands of students across Africa and Nigeria, conduct chemistry without mixing chemicals, learn physics without conducting electrical circuits, or biology without dissecting any animal. And they are losing out on hands-on experiences, things that are supposed to build their thinking curiosity or make them to be engaged in learning. And this has resulted in them not succeeding in science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
Blue Sand STEM Labs is an all-in-one AI-powered augmented reality and virtual reality platform that offers African primary and secondary school teachers and students alike a curriculum-aligned STEAM content using virtual reality and augmented reality. How this works is that students in primary and secondary schools can use smart tablets such as this to carry out chemistry, biology, and physics simulations in the absence of a working and functional physical laboratory. Our solution is powered with augmented reality and virtual reality, and the contents are all curriculum aligned. Cambridge curriculum, the US curriculum, and WAEC and NEGO curriculum. We have AR powered books. These books are science books, and we also have the one for art students. These books use augmented reality. When you bring them under the tablets, all the drawings and writings in the book come alive, offering the students an interactive learning experience using 2D and 3D AR technology, thereby making the learning engaging and improving the students' learning outcomes, and also in making teaching very easy for the teachers. Using VR and AR technology, we intend to provide equal access to students and people living with disabilities by giving them equal opportunities to learn STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, including arts. We also want people living in the remote areas and low-income communities to be able to have equal access to quality education, just like their contemporaries in the urban area, using augmented reality and virtual reality. With our AR interactive books that brings learning and teachings and drawings and brings them alive on the screen, we want to make learning fun while at the same time engaging the students and making the teachers work and making teaching experience engaging and easy.
Blue Sand STEM Labs, our team is not just building one fantastic edtech solution. We are creating immersive learning opportunities. Like you can see this is our virtual reality headset. With this, students can plug into any environment that they want. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, they are all embedded here. Our solution can be accessed on the laptop, on the phone, on digital textbooks, or these virtual reality headsets. We are not just building a fantastic solution, but we are transforming how learning is being taught in Africa and Nigeria, beginning with Lagos. Remember, it is immersive technology that we are pushing.